guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace key battery guys, key fob battery on Nissan Altima. If you have a Nissan Altima guys and you have that style key, it's from year 2007 to year 2018. Stay with us, we will explain how to remove and replace the battery guys. Every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 videos. You probably already know that. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. That's how we get an ideas for videos, so we can make a video guys and show you how to fix things. This is guys the key. I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the key out of a Nissan Altima. You may have 3 or 4 button key, but the procedure is exactly the same guys. Doesn't matter if you have a 3 or a 4 button key design. So we're going to show you now guys, okay, how we are going to go ahead, okay, and replace that battery. Pretty simple guys. Now you can see on this side you need to go ahead and remove the actual physical key. Okay, if your key fob dies and you guys need to start your car or unlock it, okay, to unlock the car, what you can do, okay, slide that thing over like that and pull the key out. This is the physical key guys. Now we can manually unlock the door. We have the car outside, so what we're going to do next, we'll get a small screwdriver guys. Small screwdriver, okay, and you're going to go right here. Okay, and what I do, okay, let me get a little bit bigger screwdriver. So I get a bigger screwdriver guys. We need a bigger screwdriver. We go where the key goes, usually right here, and you're going to pry sideways, okay, and that key will open. Super easy, right? Okay, the key opens, and once you open the key guys, that's where your key battery is located. Now if you need to buy a new battery, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get it from for a really good price guys. Fast shipping as well, so check it out, because otherwise if you go to the local parts store, I guarantee you that they're most of the times more expensive. So what you have to do, go ahead with a small screwdriver, pry it out. And we'll have the link and the battery number in the description of the video below. We get the new one, we install it like that. After that, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you have everything clean here. Make sure you don't have dust or anything. This is the seal right here that prevents water and moisture getting inside the key. Go ahead, align everything and start closing it. Okay, start closing it, and after that, when you're done, all you have to do, slide the key in and you're guys ready to go. You can see that's how we remove and replace the battery out of that Nissan Altima guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.